So like I said in my previous video, I'm going to show you some of the upgrades we purchased, or we are going to purchase, for the Sony A6300 to make it look a little bit more professional, and yeah, so you can add more features and things to your camera, just to make it, like I said, to make it look a little bit more pro looking. We're going to say that's the words we're using, to make it look pro. A6300, first add-on was the SmallRig Cage. Now this was retailing for me at £45.90 on Amazon. Check out the link below if you want to purchase it yourself. Now at the time of doing this video, there is a voucher for 20% off this as well. So yeah, that's a good shout. Definitely. Right, okay, so reason for buying this, it gives a little bit more protection to your camera if you've never used one before. And as you can see here, we've got all these little screw holes so we can add attachments to the camera as well. And like I said, a little bit more protection. If you do drop it, it's going to hit this first before it hits your camera. Now as well, it gives you this bit here. It's rubberized. Can we see that? It gives you a better grip of the camera. It's quite a small, for me, it's quite a small hand grip area. My hand fits in okay, but if it's just a little bit bigger, it feels more like the old DSLRs that I used to use. So one of the reasons as well was, like I said, to keep the camera a little bit more protected, to add more features. As we will go on in these videos, you can see the other things we've purchased. But for now, I'll just show you simply how easy it is to install this. The camera fits in snug, just as we can see there. And then we've got a screw on the bottom that fits it into place, hopefully. There we go. And then once that's installed, there is, I've left it in the house, but you do get a little like a little screwdriver thing here to help tighten that up, but for video purposes I will just show you the finished product. So there we go. So I've got more of a grip here. It feels a little bit more chunky in my hand, which I like. It is, like I said, a small camera. And yeah, that was the first purchase to upgrade this little system we are building for 2025. What do you think, guys? I think it needs a little friend to go with it. On other cameras I've used with cages, I've always had a handle here, which again adds a little bit more size to the camera system, makes it look more professional, and it's got the function of, you will see as I build up this little rig, the benefits of it. Okay, so the next thing we purchased was a May universal camera cage sign handle. Now it's another piece of kit off Amazon. $24.99 for this one. It comes in an Amazon choice version. There's loads of different models you can get, and I've tried quite a few. This one, price wise, like I said, £25, probably about $30 if you're in the USA. But yeah, it's one of those products that, let me just show you this. It's a definite win. As you can see there, we've got a grip, we've got the cold shoe mount, comes with a little Allen key there to take the thing on and off. But yeah, it was just one of those products that I thought, for the price, we're keeping this in a small budget. I'm trying to keep everything I'm going to show you under £1,000. Everything to get you kitted out to start making money in photography is going to be, it's all going to be like pre-owned, apart from things like this. If you might find one on eBay or whatever, but you know, for £24 you might as well buy it new. But I'm going to try and keep everything under £1,000, and then from that £1,000 we're going to see what we can make over the year in terms of getting this bad boy to work. So anyway, let me just show you quickly. Like I said, we've got the cage already on. We've got all the holes all over the camera, and I'm right-handed, so I want it put on this side. And so I will show you quickly how easy that was. these two just screw in. Now, if you've got any questions or things you want answering, just leave a comment, and we will try and answer them for you as we go along in this series. Okay, so then if we take the Allen key out, we get with the camera, we can just tighten these up. Boom, boom, and there we go. Now, it's becoming to look like those ones you see on YouTube, isn't it? These pro photographers and videographers, they all have these camera rigs. But yeah, like I said, this is more functional, and it gives you a better grip. If you want to do a lot of run and gun, this is the way to go. So we've got the camera body. We've bought two lenses so far. I haven't showed you the other lens I've bought. We'll do that in another video. And we bought the cage and the grip. Now we've got a few more things to get, and then we are ready to roll on the process of making money. Don't forget, guys, anything you want to know yourself about these cameras or any of these things I'm purchasing, leave a link or leave a comment below, and I will get back to you. So don't forget, guys, this is the under £1,000 camera equipment purchasing for 2025, and to see if we can make money from it as well. But yeah, it feels nice. It's wood and metal, and yeah, I'm definitely happy with the purchase.